So I thought I'd just do a quick video because it's something we're not actually done, but we do offer this service and we do quite a lot, is the JLR activations to activate hidden features on the Defender range, Range Rover. We can do Jaguar, but I just thought we've just got this brand new D350, so the latest generation one in. Customer wanted a few options, so I just thought I'd just do a quick video just to explain what you can have, and obviously if you want certain hidden features that your Defender or Range Rover or Jaguar doesn't have, then just to get in touch. So just to clarify, we only use the genuine Land Rover hardware. We don't use any third-party equipment for any of our activations. We use the proper Pathfinder software. We're logging into Jaguar themselves to activate these certain features. So unlike other companies who are using third-party software, we don't do that. It's all proper genuine JLR activations. So on this particular one, we've just activated, so the stop start is remembered every time you get in, so you don't have to mess around with that. A main feature which a lot of customers are getting really annoyed with is this particular feature. So if I just show you, so this is the one where it gives you all the other activations for alerts, and a lot of this is defaulted, so every time you have to get into the vehicle you have to turn all this off. It doesn't remember it. So we have now activated in this particular one, so now it's on the low setting. You can obviously just have it on the high setting, custom or low, but now it will remember every time this customer gets into his vehicle that the only alerts he's going to get on here is the forward collision warning. Obviously you can go in and do custom settings and everything else, and that will all remember it. And then another feature that it's a nice feature, obviously this is the D350, the new one. We've added this extra dynamic mode, so it's a bit like an extra sport mode, so makes the engine more responsive, the steering wheel lighter, and also the gear shift faster. Now if you also have air suspension on this, then it will also harden the suspension when you're in this dynamic mode. To access basically the dynamic mode is basically here, and now you've got this option here now. So if I just press this again, and then if I activate that, this now changes red, and now dynamic mode is enabled on there, and that will be on for this particular journey. Obviously every time you restart the vehicle, that will reset itself. So if you're interested in any Defender activations, Range Rover activations, power upgrades for the Defender and the Range Rover we can offer, as well as the Jaguar range, as well as lots of other things, then please get in touch with us.